Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Crypto.com price prediction and Crypto.com news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Crypto.com in 2022. Crypto.com coin, CRO, is the native cryptocurrency token of Crypto.com chain, a decentralized, open-source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Crypto.com chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. CRO went live in November-December 2018, following an extensive advertising effort that led to a significant increase in demand for the Crypto.com coin. The Singapore-based platform has grown into one of the top 10 largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world by trading volume. The number of new holders of Crypto.com coin, the native token of Crypto.com, has continued to see a steady rise in the last month, even after the platform was recently hacked on January 17. Nevertheless, a total of 482 new addresses carrying the digital asset Crypto.com coin were added daily in the last month, from January 16, when there were 200,000 unique addresses holding the digital asset Crypto.com coin, to February 14, when there were 214,000 holding Crypto.com coin. There has been a gradual increase, according to CoinMarketCap.com. Crypto.com originally suspended withdrawals when users noticed funds leaving their accounts on January 17. Nevertheless, as illustrated, the number of Crypto.com coin holders has continued to rise in the last 30 days, despite the theft of $30 million in assets stolen from 483 users' crypto wallets. Initially, the issue was first referred to as an incident, and the business said that no client funds were lost. Ultimately, customer losses were refunded by the exchange, which said that it prevented unlawful withdrawals in the vast majority of cases. Crypto.com claims to have strengthened its security measures and to have enlisted the help of third-party auditors to further analyze its overall security position. However, the firm did not disclose any specifics on the upgrades that had been made. Currently, Crypto.com coin is trading at 40 cents, down 6.9% in the last 24 hours and 1.9% across the previous 7 days, with a market cap of $12.1 billion. In the aftermath of the hack, the coin fell as low as 30 cents, and now it has climbed 44% since then and is currently up in price over the last month. Bitcoin had been trading inside an ascending parallel channel since reaching a low on January 24. On February 8, it managed to break out from this channel and then returned to validate it as support 2 days later. Currently, BTC seems to be in the process of breaking out from a short-term descending resistance line. Doing so would likely lead to an upward movement towards new highs. Similarly to BTC, Ethereum has been increasing inside an ascending parallel channel since January 24. However, unlike BTC, it has yet to break out. Recently, it was rejected twice by this resistance line, red icons, on February 6 and 9, respectively. Ripple has increased rapidly since reaching a low on January 22. So far, it has managed to reach a high of 90 cents on February 9. This amounted to an increase of 67% since the aforementioned low. Similarly to ETH, Curve DAO token has been trading inside an ascending parallel channel since January 27. However, it has failed to even reach the resistance line of this channel and is currently trading in its lower portion. Besides the channel being a bearish pattern, this further supports the possibility that CRV will break down from this short-term pattern. The graph has been increasing since January 24, when it had just reached a low of 34 cents. So far, it has increased by 54% since the low. Until this area is reclaimed, the trend cannot be considered bullish. Crypto.com coin has been moving upwards since January 24, when it had just reached a low of 30 cents. So far, it has increased by 62.6%. The upward movement caused a breakout from a descending resistance line and a reclaim of the $49 horizontal resistance area. This is a strong sign that the correction is now complete. The next significant resistance area is at 60 cents. This is the 0.5 fib retracement resistance level. Binance Coin has been increasing since January 24, when it bounced at the $335 horizontal area. This was the second time BNB bounced at this area, after doing so on September 2021. However, BNB was rejected by a descending resistance line on February 8 and decreased slightly. And at the end of December it fell to $0.019, ending 2018. As a bearish note, CRO entered 2019 with an exchange value of $0.020. Later, the price effectively triggered an upward trajectory, and by mid-March, the token rose to $0.098, and at dawn in April it fell to $0.044. The currency was tested again at $0.096 for several days and continued to fluctuate after that. Surprisingly, by mid-July, the coin reached the 10 cents mark, as the currency was registered on many exchange platforms, and then fell to 5 cents. After the bearish attack, the token began to decline, and by December, by the end of 0.1, it reached $2,019. CRO opened 2020 with a trading price of 10 cents. In the future, the price began to grow steadily and by mid-February reached $0.065 and continued to decline. With some variations, the currency shockingly dropped to the support level at $0.032 by mid-March. Later, the token rose on an upward trajectory and by the beginning of September actually rose to 17 cents, when the community successfully launched a feature called Stake to Take, and fell sharply to 10 cents by the end of November due to market activity. By December, Crypto.com coin dropped to 10 cents, ending 2020. Crypto.com coin started 2021 with a bearish divergence effect at a trading price of $0.058. Later, the price actually began to accumulate, and the coin unexpectedly reached the 27 cents mark. In addition, it is assumed that the price will rise if the community focuses on certain events and partnerships and can be placed on many exchange platforms. By the end of 2021, CRO may be trading at a high price of $1.50. The digital currency can start 2022 with an exchange value of $1.60. The token can grow further if it focuses on launching more products on its platforms, such as derivatives, exporting transaction history, and more. CRO could end 2022 with a trading price of $3.20. CRO may reach a new milestone in the next 5 years. It could be included in the top 10 currencies if it constantly monitored certain improvements to its platform and focused on ensuring transparency for its applications. It can compete with many other altcoins and attract more investors and users. It is assumed that by the end of 10 years, the CRO will reach $5. On a bearish note, CRO set the year 2021 at $0.058. Then the price rose to 27 cents, reaching a record level on February 22. Crypto.com coin can compete with other coins because it offers features such as trading, financial services, and payments.